Okay, Amitabh, thanks a lot for coming on the platform of Europedia for sharing your entire selection experience.
Good evening, sir.
Okay.
Sir, my name is, as you know, Vidab Sharma. So I have completed my graduation from VIT University in 2019. After that, I've been working with my own family's construction firm for some time. And after that, during that process, and it was Corona period, so I decided so I should go for masters for higher studies to gain more experience and exposure. So for that purpose, I gave this is environment science engineering paper, and in that I got original rank 60. And through that, I have applied in many IITs, and I got calls in IIT Kanpur.
Okay, so
And
before Amitabh, you start telling us about that, I have certain things to ask you. So after graduation, you did job, right?
so it was not a job exactly.
You were working in consultancy firm
Yeah,
of
yeah,
your
yeah.
family
No,
business.
no, my own. See, we have a construction firm in our own family. Like
Okay,
my family takes construction projects, government construction projects, like building roads and all schools. So I was working there only.
okay.
And
So you wrote GATE with civil and environment, right?
yes, sir.
Okay. What was the score, Amitabh, for GATE? What was the GATE score with civil?
The civil के साथ my score was 538,
538.
and
And yeah,
and
environment.
environment my score was 762.
Okay, 762 with environment. With what marks did you get this score?
72.
72 marks in environment science. Acha, Amitabh, can you tell me your CGP also?
Sir, my CGPA is 6.95.
6.95, right?
Yeah, and
And
so I could not apply for MS and PhD. I could only apply for MTech.
only for MTech. And what
Yeah,
is your category, Amitabh?
the general only.
General category. So, पहला मेरा question ये है कि environment was introduced this year only.
Yes, sir.
So, your score was high in environment. Was it because you were concentrating more on environment, or it was because syllabus is less and all?
Sir, what happened was because I had less time and I decided for GATE examination. So I
Okay.
focused on major topics only, like transportation, geotech, environment, and yeah, hydrology and all those things.
Mm-hmm.
So out of all those things, and the course of environment covers a major portion, like fluid mechanics, irrigation, and this thing, environmental science.
Okay.
That was the syllabus environment because my focus was more on that, and that was the whole portion of environment science paper, except for few general knowledge things. So I was able to score more in that.
अच्छा, एनवायरमेंटल साइंस ये वही चीज है क्या जो इंजीनियरिंग सर्विसेज पेपर 1 में होता है? इज दैट द सेम?
हाँ, एनवायरमेंट साइंस उसका वो है, और प्लस हमारा वाटर रिसोर्सेज, फ्लूइड मैकेनिक्स और एनवायरमेंट साइंस का पेपर, क्योंकि इसमें ड्रेनेज वगैरह से रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन आते हैं सारे, और एनवायरमेंट के जो हमारे वाटर क्वालिटी पैरामीटर्स और टेस्ट वगैरह के पेपर थे, सिलेबस था, उससे आते।
Okay, great. So Amitabh, now tell me, you have got half a dozen, you have got a dozen of selections, right? So मेरे को एक करके बताओ कहाँ आपकी selection हुई है? That is the most interesting part now. So, and I believe this all are with environment only, right?
Yeah, all of them are from environment science paper.
अच्छा, before I ask you आपकी selection कहाँ हुई है, tell me, did you get call from NITI Bombay also with this code?
I got a call, but I did not give interview because I have a technical background, family business maybe, so I thought I should not go for that management.
Okay, but अगर किसी को NITI जाना हो तो this is a good option, right?
Yeah, this is also a good option because scoring is very easy in this paper. Syllabus is less, so you can score more. और वहाँ पे they only see the GATE का score. They don't see which branch you're coming from.
Yes, so that part I will come. Amitabh, I will come to that part little later of the interview. As of now, let's go to the most interesting part about your selections. मेरे को बताओ कहाँ selection हुआ एक करके. And these all are MTech.
Yeah, these all are MTech. MS PhD में probably I would have got more calls if my CGPA was higher.
Yes. So go ahead and tell me where. Yeah.
Is for environment science, like core environment, I got calls from Kanpur, Dhanbad, and Guwahati.
All MTech environment.
All MTech environment.
Okay.
Through BHU, for BHU Banaras Hindu University, I got calls from Decision Sciences, and for water resources, that is also core of civil engineering. For that, I got calls from Kharagpur and Madras.
Okay.
And there's also a new course introduced by IIT Hyderabad, e-waste management. That I got calls from IIT Hyderabad. Okay. Through Mumbai, I got calls from Setara. Okay. And through Roorkee, I got calls from river water management. That is also river and lake water management. That is also kind of water resources only, irrigation engineering. They just name it differently.
So these are in the very first round of COAP. These are the selection which are reflected, right?
Yeah.
Okay, great. So now, Amitabh, tell me, like you mentioned about IIT Bombay Satara also, right? With this. Before I come to that, let me ask you, with environment, other than civil engineering, like environment and water resource and these kind of domains, were you eligible to apply in courses, interdisciplinary courses like energy science, management, computation, data science? Were you eligible for these courses?
Yes, sir. For most of the IITs, I was eligible for data science also, but I didn't apply in data science because I'm not aligned to those fields. But I applied in decision sciences in BHU, which I have got. You can see that. I've applied in industrial engineering and operation research in IIT Mumbai, which is a very good branch. And in IISc, I have applied in many like subjects like.
So do you think you may get IEOR, IIT Bombay and all?
Probably in second or third round, I can get IEOR or I can get some courses in IISc also. IISc Bangalore.
Okay,
so
great.
That I'm looking forward to, yeah. Like quantum technology and smart manufacturing and all those things.
You can get with that. So Amitabh, now come to Satara department. ये Satara department में मैंने सुना बहुत से rounds of selection हुए हैं, बहुत से rounds के बाद selection हुआ तुम्हारा finally.
The first round में they while applying they asked for an SOP. फिर SOP के बाद they gave us a task in which we have to interview two people from rural areas, or we have to write a report based on what happened to them, what was their like going through what they went through during Corona period.
Okay.
After that, there was first round of interview. They shortlisted few people. Then there was one more round of interview, second round of interview for selection in Satara. After that, there was one more round of interview for selection in fellowships. Because they were offering many fellowships. My fellowship, which I interviewed for, was for UNICEF, the United Nations program. But they offer fellowship from one more thing which is affiliated to government, central government. I don't remember the name of it. BAAF, something agricultural related to that. And they also have a fellowship with MORD, Ministry of Rural Development. So they give all these opportunities where you can opt for various fellowships where they will take one more year and they'll take you to these fields where they have some problems and they'll pay you a nice amount. Like 50 or 60,000, something like that.
Okay, so ये जो फेलोशिप आपने बताया यूनिसेफ वाला फेलोशिप, इसमें क्या करना होता है अमिताभ? व्हाट इज दिस ऑल अबाउट?
सर यूनिसेफ के बहुत सारे प्रोग्राम्स चल रहे होते हैं. इंडिया में भी है, जैसे चाइल्ड माल न्यूट्रिशन को और एजुकेशन पर वर्ल्ड में बहुत सारी जगह पे हैं. तो व्हाट दे डू इज they want people to run that. So what they do is they take you to some places जहाँ ground reality पे problems सारी होगी. Then they tell you to identify the problem. Then you'll have to come back to IIT Mumbai. Then you work on those problems कि उसकी core क्या है, उसकी जड़ क्या है, और फिर आपको उसको solution बताना है. फिर they again take you there and you'll have to implement all those things. Sometimes आपको case study करने के लिए भी ले जाते हैं. They can take you to foreign also for case studies like Singapore में क्या हुआ था. How they eliminated poverty and all those, how they tackled all these problems. So they can take you for case studies also, but mostly what happens is that they let you tackle a existing problem, so you can find a solution for that. So that you can choose according to what branch, what project you are working on and all those things. It's very lucrative thing if you want to work outside and for the.
Okay. तो इसके मतलब यूनाइटेड नेशन के अंदर भी करियर अपॉर्चुनिटीज ओपन हो सकती हैं, राइट?
हाँ सर, मैंने कुछ एलुमनाई से बात की थी. So 3 of them I think are currently working for UNICEF. Achha. And the best thing about this is if you don't like the work, IIT Mumbai assists you for placements after 2 years of this thing fellowship. Like आपको next मतलब from the point you have enrolled, उसके बाद से 5 साल तक IIT Mumbai assists you for placement. Achha, you can sit for placements, yeah. If you don't like the fellowship और आपको वो program पसंद नहीं आया, and they also let you change afterwards also. You can go for Ministry of Rural Development. मतलब गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया के साथ यू कैन वर्क, ऐसे भी आप कर सकते हैं. इफ यू वांट टू स्विच, दैट मींस देयर इज वेरी मच फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी इफ यू वांट टू स्विच थिंग्स इन बिटवीन.
तो ये भी मतलब एक वेरी गुड प्रोग्राम दिस इज, राइट?
हां सर, या करंटली आई थिंक आई एम गोइंग टू ऑफ फॉर दैट ओनली फ्रॉम द ऑफर दैट आई हैव गॉट नाउ. I think that is, I feel that is the best for me.
That's the best. Okay, great.
Yeah, I have to consider more factors. I have not taken all the factors.
Yes, now there are more rounds also. Let's see what you get.
Yeah, exactly.
And now, Amitabh, I'm coming to last part of our interaction, that is related to environment science. So this topic was introduced this year only, right? This new GATE subject was introduced this year only. And some people took it as a chance. So
Yes.
correct me if I'm wrong, that if you want to get into IITs, right, master's courses, and if you want to get into management courses like in NITI or Master of Management of IIT this IIC Bangalore or Department of Management IIT Madras, then this can be a very good department. Yeah, this can be a very good subject, environment science. So as you said, you have to focus on some part, and where you can hit gate score more than 750, and you can get into these kind of departments. Am I correct in that?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You're absolutely correct. Sir.
Okay.
Because they just see gate score. They don't see which branch you're coming from. So you'll get a call, and after obviously you have to conduct interviews and all. But
if some student is going to write with environment science, and as you said, sir, मेरे पास time कम था. Honestly, you give the answer. How many months you invested to prepare for environment science?
Sir, only for environment science you need maximum 3 to 4 months.
Okay, 3 to 4 months में कर सकता है बच्चा, right?
वो 3 से 4 ही सब्जेक्ट हैं, बाकी एप्टीट्यूड है और जनरल नॉलेज दैट यू हैव टू स्टडी फॉर ईएससी का जो एनवायरनमेंट का जनरल नॉलेज का पेपर आता है, जो मॉड्यूल रहता है, रियो वगैरह के समिट के क्वेश्चन आते हैं, रियो समिट में क्या हुआ था एंड ऑल दोस कोपेनहेगन समिट में, ऑल दोस थिंग्स वो आप वीकेंड पे 3 वीकेंड पे पढ़ लोगे, 3-4 घंटा देके, सो यू कैन कवर दैट ईएस का पार्ट. और बाकी 3 से 4 सब्जेक्ट्स हैं मेजर, 5 माइनर सब्जेक्ट्स मिला दोगे, हाइड्रोलॉजी एंड 1 मोर सब्जेक्ट है. तो ऐसे करके 5 सब्जेक्ट टोटल आते हैं, 3-4 मेजर है, 1-2 माइनर है. 3 मंथ्स में यू कैन इजीली कवर.
फ्लूइड मैकेनिक्स है, ओपन चैनल फ्लो है शायद उसके अंदर,
ओसीएफ आता है.
ओसीएफ एक इंपॉर्टेंट है और एनवायरनमेंट है और इंजीनियरिंग का एनवायरनमेंट है. तो अगर इसको कर लिया तो आपका तो स्कोर बहुत अच्छा था. एंड सपोज इवन इफ योर स्कोर, आई टेल यू अमिताभ, जस्ट बिफोर today first round result have come, and I was talking to some student with 400 something in environment science. Okay. And even he has got selected. He's general category student, but his CGPA was good. Yeah,
ocean engineering in Madras he can get, IIT Madras he can get very good IIT.
You could not apply in Master of Sciences because of your less than 7 CGPA.
Yes, MS and
some student is having CGPA more than 8.5, right?
They can apply for PhD.
हाँ, 8.5 प्लस CGPA है और एनवायरनमेंट में अगर उसका 400 प्लस भी है, जो बहुत ही कम एफर्ट पे आ जाएगा, then you will get multiple calls from IITs.
Exactly. You get a lot of calls. Yeah. That is very good opportunity. Still, some student think कि environment science का paper was not useful. I don't know what to say.
No, but this is, see, your example is there. That is what I'm going to now. That's the reason I'm going to upload this interaction on YouTube, because students should know it actually कि क्या opportunity. अच्छा, एक और मेरे को अमिताभ बताओ, इस बार आईआईटी खड़गपुर ले रहा है एग्जाम, और आपको पता है उन्होंने एक नया सब्जेक्ट इंट्रोड्यूस किया है गेट में फॉर सिविल इंजीनियर्स, आई सपोज, दैट इज जियोमेटिक्स. एंड जियोमेटिक्स इज GIS एंड रिमोट सेंसिंग एंड ऑल. दिस इज द न्यू थिंग दे हैव इंट्रोड्यूस्ड.
दैट विल बी वेरी लुक्रेटिव बिकॉज़ उसके बहुत सारे एप्लीकेशन दूसरे फील्ड्स में भी हैं.
Yes.
So if you get into a good IIT, you can sit for placements in different fields, like information system में if you have good grasp.
हाँ, जैसे आईआईटी बॉम्बे में एक वो है ना डिपार्टमेंट, जियो इन्फॉर्मेटिक्स वाला.
हाँ, जियो इन्फॉर्मेटिक्स का डिपार्टमेंट है आईआईटी बॉम्बे में. हाँ, so that is what happens. If you get into geoinformatics, you can sit for placement for various information system also companies.
Yes.
So that is very good opportunity I feel.
मतलब सिविल इंजीनियर्स के लिए जियोमेटिक्स जो है वो एक एंट्री हो सकता है उन
दूसरे डिपार्टमेंट में. हाँ, बेटर जिसमें अपॉर्चुनिटी आपको.
अभी उसका सिलेबस नहीं दिया उन्होंने, बट मैं 2-4 दिन पहले की न्यूज थी, मैंने उसका यूट्यूब पे डाला भी है स्टूडेंट्स को. 2 नए कोर्सेज इंट्रोड्यूस किए हैं, एक वो सिविल इंजीनियर्स के लिए है. So these are the things which can be very crucial in decision making.
People don't take seriously most of the ways, and if they do know, like what I did, I focused on very less things. I got a good score. और फिर मेरे को I got 9 calls first round में. I didn't expect कि I'll get 9 calls. So they should take things seriously. ऐसा नहीं है.
और ये अमिताभ क्या था कि तुम्हारा ना 7 CGPA से कम था. Had it been more than 8, it would have been 30 calls. I tell you honestly, because MS also you would have got many MS calls also related.
So that is what. भले if PSUs even don't come, but if you get top 100 में rank, जो कि I felt कि easy था, so you will get multiple calls. That is for sure.
What was your rank? Amitabh?
My rank was 60 sir, all India rank.
60
हाँ, yes sir. तो फिर वहीं पे एक तो you also get confidence ना कि हाँ, if my rank is this good, so I'll get some calls. So you prepare also well after that interviews and all के लिए. नहीं तो फिर most of the students I see they're in doubt only कि क्या होगा.
Acha, how difficult it is to score to get GATE score of 500 with environment, if I ask you?
It is not very difficult, sir. Two subjects I need to prepare plus aptitude and maths. Aptitude and maths is common, so 20 marks it comes from there. So you just have to score 22 marks more. So 22 marks is दो सब्जेक्ट में आ जाएगा. Fluid mechanics, water resources, ये तो एक ही सब्जेक्ट हो गया, fluid mechanics, water resources. Second is environment science. If you do these two subjects properly, you will get more than 50 marks. 500 plus gates पर आ जाएगा easily. 520, 530 gates पर आ जाएगा.
Chalo, that's great, Amitabh. So lot of information from your side, and you have told lot many things. And I'll keep on getting more information from you as and when other rounds we proceed. You will keep on getting more things, and I believe even other departments like IEOR and all these departments also can open up for us. So thanks a lot, Amitabh, and congratulations, Ardhan, for a dozen of selections in very first round. Thank you.